Let's make Simpl Lager. One kilo of sugar. Two to 3 litres of just boiled water. Top up with cold water to 23 litre mark. 40 pints. Wait until it's 25 degrees C or a little bit less before adding the yeast. Temperatures within range, add the yeast. Apply airlock to lid, seal lid, do not stir the yeast in, that's what the instructions say. Set this aside, 25 degrees, I'm going to put it in my airing cupboard upstairs where it's a constant 25 degrees. I will see when fermentation kicks off. Don't forget to take gravity like I did. It's on 1.040. Excellent. Right, it's been almost, well, it's been more than a day. Nothing bubbling in the airlock, so I need to see if I'm wasting my time or not. See what's going on. Oh, no, wicked, excellent. We're on our way. Look at all that foam. Wow. That's pretty foamy. Nice. Happy days. Right, it's 9 days later. The gravity is at 1.006. So now we just have to get it from this bucket into this bucket and leave the stuff at the bottom. So we got this siphon there, I'm gonna go there, lovely. Why doesn't this work? Winds me up. It's not even suck. Look. What is it? Put the caps on as little as possible. Take the cap off. Works straight away without the cap on. But when you're working with let's say just a 1 gallon without the cap on, it shoots a jet stream into the bottom and fucking clouds it all up again. Fed up with this shit. Del, if you watch this, Del, I want one of them squeezy pump things you got. See you in 10 years when this is done. Well, actually, while that's transferring into there, I've got 125 grams of sugar. I'm going to stick it in there. So by the time it's finished, maybe a little bit is dissolved in it. Actually, while that's going, look at this. It's been chilled down, but by Jove, this is my tropical strawberry cider. Right, this bottle is almost rock hard. So I've had it in the freezer about half an hour, but it's going to be way more carbonated than it was on my video. Oh, that's nice. Oh, look at that. Right, that's all transferred. I'm just gonna stir that 125 grams of sugar, priming sugar in, which hopefully will be enough to carbonate this whole thing. I'll see you when it's bottling time. Right, I've got a box of PET bottles, which I've already used once. All these bad boys, nice and still. They're not going to fall over. So I'm just going to put them lower down. And I'm going to get... probably about 44 500ml bottles done. We've got about 22.5 litres maybe, something like that. Right, just out of proof of pudding. Look, watch this start straight away because there's no cap on it. Back in, straight away. Right, he's going in here. It stopped. Now there is... Oh, it's reversing. It's going back into the... It's reversing. Whoa, physics is mad, isn't it? Look at that. It's filling up. It's filling up. Take it higher. It goes back out. Right, there we go. I'm going to fill all these bottles and I'll get right back to you. Right, I have got 24... and then another 24 minus 5, so that's 19. So that's 10 plus 20 is 30. And 9 plus 4 is 13. I've got 43 bottles. I almost only had 24. Because guys, I had this on the chair, balancing. Well, I didn't know it was balancing. And then I got to the last second but one bottle, and because it got heavier one side, it all just went, and I cat reactions, just stuck my belly on it to stop it falling off the chair. They did all spill a little bit, a tiny bit, not enough to spill, if you know what I mean. But see, I'm learning. That's a lesson. We're learning lessons. Right, I'm going to stick all these caps on. Tight, I'll do it tighter. But then I'm going to stick these up in my airing cupboard where it's 25 degrees, constant temperature. Hopefully they're going to carbonate. I'll see you in about a week. If you're still watching at this point in time, thank you very much. I appreciate it. I have got some links down below if you want to get started to Amazon in brewing. The Simpl Lager brew kit is $16.95. Now, there's a basic starter equipment set which comes with a bucket, a hydrometer, but it doesn't come with the cylinder you need for the hydrometer. It comes with a spoon, it comes with sanitizer, tablets, it comes with tubing. I'm not going to put my name to any sort of auto siphon. Work it out for yourselves, like I'm trying to do. And it comes with a pint. Now that's £31.50. I do suggest having 2 big bucket fermenters because you can transfer from one to the other. Although you could trickily do it with 1 bucket. So I've also got links which take you to individual things which I believe you need to start this kind of kit brewing. So there's buckets there. There's 2 buckets for $29.95 and they both come with airlocks. Then, in my opinion, you're going to need bottles. If you haven't got bottles you can use, there's a pack of 48 for $34.89. Now everything on this list is free delivery, UK Amazon. Then there's a mixing spoon, food grade, heat resistant, $5.99. There's a small tub of sterilizer, £5.45. And there's a hydrometer with the cylinder, it's called a graduated cylinder, for $9.25. Then there's also a laser thermometer on there for $14.59. I'm not putting an auto siphon on there because I haven't found one I can use. So I'm not going to lie and pretend buy this one, you know. Anyway, I get a small percentage if you go through them links. Have a look. Right then, it's taste test time. My bottle's been in the freezer for almost an hour now. Ooh, maybe a bit too much. Let me go get it and taste it. See you in a second. Okay, right, the bottle is pretty solid. It's been, has it been 6 days? I think it's been about 6 days. And I've always been okay with carbonating things after 6 days. Now, people say to leave the conditioning bottles for like 1 to 2 weeks. So I'm starting to look into that. I haven't with this. Will it make it better? Probably. If the whole world thinks so, then who am I to argue with that? But if you know me, which many of you do, I ain't fussy. But, right, let's see if there's bubbles. Oh, before I open this, when I've been opening my last ones, which I haven't had that chilled, I'd open it and the gas comes up and it draws up the sediment. Because it's bottle conditioned, it draws up the sediment and it clouds the beer. So this, to me, is looking very clear. I'm going to open it with the light and see what happens. So let's see if we get a fizz first of all. Oh yeah, there's a fizz. A little fizz. And no rising bubbles. So chilling it down does help the ferocity of the bubbles coming up and bringing the sediment up with it. But it fizzed, but is it bubbly? I don't know. Right. Come on. Right. Let's try and get a pour cam, whatever, I don't know. Let's just do it like this, shall we? Okay, fizzy, but no head whatsoever. With a little bit of research, with a 5 minutes of reading, I have used just sugar, whereas on the side, you can use beer enhancer, Now that can help with head retention and things like that, but there's not even no head to retain. So, is what it is. Guys, I don't give a shit about head. I mean, it's nice, but I don't care about head on a beer. Right, let's just see what he's like. Okay, lightly carbonated. That's not as carbonated as my other 2 kits I've done. But, do you know what? That is more drinkable. Okay. Light. I mean, it's a lager. It's got light malt. It's very hard picking up on the hops. I'll be truthful. I think I find it hard to distinguish between malt and hops. Like, if something's really hoppy, I understand it. But then if something's really malty, I'm like, is that hops? So, look, I don't know. This is just nice. This is nice. It's not like a soda, you know, a pop type carbonation, but it's definitely carbonated. It's on 4.5%. I can't ask for more. For the price, I've got 40 plus bottles of this for cheap. And it's refreshing. There's nothing too punchy about it. It's just simply lager. Oh, I could definitely sink it through them. If anyone knows, let me know what aging it for another 2 weeks would do to it, because it's doing the job. It's nice. I can't imagine what those 2 extra, for me being impatient for drink, what waiting 2 extra weeks is it going to increase it by about 2%. Enjoyability. That's not worth it in my book. Anyway, right, thanks for watching. If you're still watching, guys, cheers everybody, and I'll catch you on the next one. What do you want me to do next?